Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Battlegrounds Roblox Mobile. To begin, use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen for movement. Swipe your right thumb across the screen to control the camera and look around. Tap on the various on-screen buttons to interact with menus, select characters, and join matches. It's crucial to get comfortable with these basic controls before diving into the action. Practice moving and looking around in the lobby to build muscle memory. Mastering combat is key to victory. To attack, simply tap the attack button, usually located on the right. Hold down the block button to defend against incoming damage. Your special abilities will appear as icons. Tap them to activate. Aiming projectiles often involves dragging your finger to target. Pay close attention to the cooldown timers on your abilities, as strategic timing can turn the tide of any battle. Practice these moves in a safe zone first. Understanding the map and objectives is vital for success. Each map has unique layouts and strategic points. Your primary goal will vary depending on the game mode, such as capturing control points or eliminating all opposing players. Always keep an eye on your minimap, typically in the top corner, to track enemy positions and locate your teammates. Knowing where to go and what to do will significantly increase your chances of winning each round. To truly excel, focus on teamwork and communication. Stick with your allies and coordinate attacks. As you play, you will earn currency to upgrade your characters and unlock new, powerful items. Don't be afraid to experiment with different characters to find one that suits your playstyle. Consistent practice is the best way to improve your reaction time and decision-making skills, helping you climb the leaderboards and dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.